It's working now. Look at this shit.
Is it noon?
It's working.
What time is it for you?
It's 11 o'clock. Did it work at 11 o'clock yesterday too?
Yesterday.
Well, I'll be darned. That indexing pin's off on this. That's what it is. Let's see if it'll close up the shutter. Here it goes. Okay, well that was cool that I caught it. Yeah, it got stuck. Oh, still going. Wait a minute. Well, closing all the way. Okay, so that's 12. I'm listening for the click. Here. It's opening, it's opening. Is it gonna get stuck? Keep going. You can do it. Oh, it looks like it might work. Oh, it's working again. Wow, that's 3 times in a row. Played a different song too. Now we'll see if it closes. Closing. It's closing. It's gonna close. Look at that. Boom. Sweet. Alright, I'm doing this as a preface to this video. I bought this clock from a thrift store it's been about a week. It came in the box, but when I got it home, I realized the box it was in was for a different model. Somebody apparently had replaced this with a newer model and put this back in the box and stored it somewhere. Anyway, I got it home and I put batteries in it and the clock worked fine, but when I first got it, the shutter that opens and closes to expose the movement was stuck about 3/4 of the way up, and it wouldn't move that at all. Wouldn't raise it, wouldn't lower it, and it would just play the introduction music and then stop. The quartz clock worked fine. Didn't do anything for almost a week and a half, but used it as a clock. But then yesterday, I noticed that it actually worked at 11 o'clock or noon, but it didn't work after that. It went ahead and stopped working again. Shutter came down about a third of the way, stopped, and that was the end of that. So I was actually going to take it apart this morning, take it out of the shop, take it apart, and try to work on it, and did a video on it before I took it out, and it started mysteriously working at that exact moment, and it's been working ever since. And that's what this video is about. I did not repair this. I bought this from a thrift store, like I said. I did not pay that very optimistic price. I gave him a $20 donation. I thought that was well worth it for this clock, because I've always liked these clocks. I've just never justified spending as much money as they cost. They're quite expensive for wall clocks, but they're very pretty. And I enjoy this one, and what I like best about this one is when it's shut up, it just looks like a wall clock. It doesn't have all this ornate hunting scenes and cathedrals and, you know, dancing elves all over it. It's just a regular white classic Seiko clock face. So go ahead and watch the video. Appreciate it. Hope everything's doing all right. I did not repair the clock. Please don't ask me how I fixed it. It was just one of those random weird things that happened to me, but I got to catch it on film. Like I said, it hasn't worked properly since I got it, and I haven't really done anything to it but put batteries in it. And then, of course, the second I'm taking a video of it to start a repair video, it starts working. Now, what do you think of that? All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it.